Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming device model and OS because mismatched tools will fail. Once confirmed, make a full backup, not just photos. Next, enable developer options, USB debugging, and OEM unlock where required so tools can communicate. You should install the correct drivers on your PC and download the exact firmware and utility for your model. This avoids bricking. Once these prerequisites are in place, proceed immediately to unlock or enter recovery to change the power button behavior. You will now use a DB, fastboot, or the vendor tool to access the key map. If the device is rooted, pull the key layout file from /system/usr/keylayout, edit the scan code mapping to the desired function, then push it back with correct permissions. Otherwise, use the OEM utility or accessibility remapping. Once the file is in place, clear caches and restart the input service. If using a system app, grant necessary permissions. Make incremental tests so you can revert quickly if needed. You finish by rebooting and validating that the power button now performs your chosen action. Verify from cold boot and while screen on. If it fails, immediately restore the original key layout or factory image from your backup, because quick restoration prevents persistent boot issues. Also check file permissions and SE Linux context. Incorrect settings commonly block remapping. If problems persist, reflash stock firmware or consult device-specific forums. Make sure to document steps so you can repeat the successful procedure later.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.